Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the battered brute.
Go, brilliant start from Marquez from
Platter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. So now I hope he's okay.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Stanley back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, I'd Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's wincing a bit.
Suzuki. Happy Siren, the battered brute.
Go, trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Stanley back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, I'd Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's wincing a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch.
Trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Stanley back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then.
Oh, exactly. Quartararo's down! He's at Dovizioso!
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high five. Down he went. All the facts of the
Trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. Quartararo's down! He's at Dovizioso!
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high five. Down he went. All the facts of the
Can't
Ducati.
see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Stanley back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett's. Quartararo, he's wincing a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch over the hand.
Might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Stanley back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now...
Oh, exactly.